let's chat about all things pot plant, focusing on the importance of using pots with drainage holes and why nursery planters are your best friend. I plant all of my plants into nursery pots. I then slide these into my decorative pots. If the decorative pot has holes as well, I use a saucer. If not, I just put it straight in the decorative pot. This is for all sized plants, large and small. There's a few reasons why I do this and why I recommend you do as well. First up is drainage. It is so important that your plants can drain excess water properly. This is to ensure they don't get issues like root rot, and also so oxygen can get to the roots as well. Overwatering is the #1 plant killer, and this helps to stop that. Another great reason to use nursery pots is they are super malleable. This means when it comes to repotting a plant, it's easy to get them out. The nursery pots and saucers are also fairly affordable, so you can size up your plant's pot without changing the decorative pot. Some pots like unglazed ceramic and terracotta also absorb water from your plant. The plastic planter is a layer of added protection, so the water stays in the soil and in your plant. As well as draining water out, you can also let it in when you're bottom watering your plant.